Hey friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Electrical and Electronics Knowledge. So in this video you learn how to make electric series checking board and how to use it. So let's start this video. So at first we take a wooden box for make this series board. Friends, you will always use this type of wooden box to make this series board because it is much safer for this board. You can see that there is a one socket, one switch and one holder point in this board. I made a hole in this box to pass the wire. Now I take a socket and put the socket in this box. Now let's tighten the socket with nuts. You can see the socket is fitted in the box. Now I take a switch and put the switch in the box and similarly tight it with nuts. And friends, I will not put the holder in the box now because I have to connect wires to holder first. Friends, I am sure that if you watch the whole video, you will easily learn how to make this series board. So friends, watch the full video without skipping. So let's start the connection. So now at first I take a small piece of wire and put one side of it at the live of the socket and the other side at the top point of the switch. You can see after fit the small wire it look like this. Now I take another piece of wire that is little bigger than the previous wire and put one side of it at the neutral point of the socket and tight it and the other side for the holder point. Now I take two big wires and open it and insert them through the hole in the box and made a knot so that the wire could not come out. You can see that the wire is not coming out in any way. Now I put one side of it at the bottom point of the switch and other side for the holder. And now I take this holder and connect this wire to the holder point and tight it. You can connect these two wires at any point of the holder. Then put the holder in the box and tight it with nuts. You can see all connections is complete for this series checking board. So let's close the box and tight it with nuts. Now I take a plug and connect it with this two wire. Now for check this board we need this light and set it in the holder and need this type of wire, so I take this. Friends, I connect this series board plug to the 220 volt AC and this plug wire connect in this series board. Friends, you can see the light glows when I touch the two wires, which means the series board is okay. Now I take a soldering iron and I will check it to see the soldering iron is working or not working. And friends, you will work very carefully and will not touch wires open space in any way. You will check exactly how I check. You can see when I touch the wire to the plug of the soldering iron, the series board light and the soldering light is glowing. This means our soldering iron is okay. Now I take a drill machine and check it also. So friends, see how I check it. At first I put the drill machine plug to the series board and on the switch. Now when I press the drill machine on switch, you can see the light glowing and the drill machine running slowly. This means the drill machine is okay. So friends, I hope you learn how to make this series checking board and how to use it. So friends, if you like my video, hit the like button and share this video to your friends. And if you are new to my channel, then subscribe to my channel. And if you have any question, let me know in the comment section below.